Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive look into my filming and editing process for my YouTube videos. First things first, I always make sure to set up my filming space with good lighting and a clean background. Lighting is key to making sure my videos look professional and engaging. Once everything is set up, I start recording using my trusty camera and microphone. Next, I transfer my footage onto my computer and begin the editing process. I like to start by organizing my clips and creating a rough cut of the video. Then, I go in and add transitions, music, and any other enhancements to make the video pop. When it comes to editing, I always keep my audience in mind. I want to make sure the video is engaging and easy to follow. I also pay close attention to the pacing and flow of the video to keep viewers interested from start to finish. And there you have it, my step-by-step guide to filming and editing YouTube videos. I hope you found this behind-the-scenes look helpful and inspiring for your own content creation journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!